Hey, life with me, Tina Marie. Well, I've been editing away and I got that turkey dinner together that I did yesterday. It was kind of involved, so I didn't get to get a lot of the steps, but you got an idea about how I made my turkey. And I'd love to hear about how you made yours so I could try something new next year. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving, and here it is. Life with me, Tina Marie. We got our herbs together and we're going to make the dressing or butter mixture that's going to go inside the turkey skin and outside the turkey skin. I'm taking all fresh herbs this time and chopping them up, but you can use dried herbs. If you use fresh herbs, they do burn a little quicker, so do put a foil over your turkey if it starts to get a little too brown too quick. I chopped up all the sage, rosemary, thyme, parsley. I was lucky to have it in my garden and we had a warm November, so I still had herbs. I'm very lucky. Aren't they lovely? I'm putting them in the butter. A stick of butter and, about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to really mix this good. This mixture is going to go under the skin. And I got salt, a couple tablespoons at least. Same thing with the pepper. I'm going to use some paprika, different kinds. I had some smoked, gives it color. A little bit of celery salt. And of course, my staple, hot Hungarian pepper, a little bit. Takes a while to blend this and get it nice and soft. And I'm going to use my bare hands to get it underneath the skin. I never did this before, so we're trying this for the first time. I have to look at it like a big chicken, I guess. I usually never cook on Thanksgiving. It's the only day of the year I don't cook. But because of COVID, the two of us are home. We have this nearly 8-pound turkey breast here, and I'm going under the skin real gently, kind of, with my fingers to loosen it up. And I watched many videos to pick out the best parts. I hope I picked out the best parts. I'm going to take my butter mixture and stick it right in there. Make sure it gets under there the best you can. Spread it around. It's all going to melt. I heard that basting is not that good sometimes. It's better to leave the oven door shut. Every time you open it, you lose that temperature. So when you put the butter under the skin like this and on top, save some for the top. And make sure the turkey's really dry. I found that it doesn't stick too well if it's still a little moist, so I had to spread it around and get my oven to 375 degrees. I put some herbs underneath the turkey as well. Just some sprigs in there. 2.5 hours later at 165 degrees, we got it out and sliced it up the best we could for the two of us, and my stuffing was wonderful. The green bean casserole was really good with the onions on top. I love the mushroom gravy that I made, and we put some corn and some candied sweet potatoes, not too candied, we're watching our sugar. Love my cranberry sauce. Right out of the can for me is fine. Sometimes I make it homemade. For the two of us, a little potato, a bottle of wine, all the fixings for a wonderful COVID 2020 Thanksgiving for two. And we miss you all. I really loaded up my plate and I ate everything on it. It was delicious. Will I cook Thanksgiving dinner again? I don't know. but it was really fun. Thank you for sharing your ideas and tips with me. And I look forward to hearing about how you make your turkey. Maybe I'll try something different next year. Strive to be happy, always. And remember me, lifewithme, GinaMarie.com. I'm working on getting my recipes up on that website, so stay tuned. Yep, this year we're going places. See ya.